Assalamualaikum and very good morning. See you again, student. Um, Now we will talk about the chapter 6 for your lab 6, construct the project schedule. So this is very important task that you need to do uh, before you start your project. This is the first thing that the user or your customer need to know, or they interested to know. So when the project should be finished, yeah. So we can say to them, this project can be finished in 6 months, in 1 year, or in 18 months. But the content or activity uh, inside the project time or, or project period is very important to discover or to present to the customer or your user, so that they understand why the project we would take, yeah, or will take 6 months, 12 months, or 18 months. So construct project schedule not only produce the Gantt chart, yeah, that is very easy. So you go to Microsoft project, for example, and then you start to fill in the task name, duration, start, and finish. But before you go to here, you need to know, you need to understand, and you need to get the project scope. Like I mentioned you in the previous lab lecture or like explanation. So construct mean you need to define, and you need to determine, and you need to define what are the uh, tasks, activity involved in each of the software development process. Yeah. So that's why this is must requirement. You need to understand the software development life cycle. Yeah, you have to understand what is the planning stage, what you need to do in planning stage, what you need to do in uh, requirement analysis, what you need to do in system analysis, what you need to do in design stage, what you need to do during the development stage, what you need to do in testing stage, what you need to do in transition stage, what you need to do in implementation stage. So I just told you about seven main things, yeah. But inside the seven scope of sequence of activity, there are many tasks, yeah, involved in order to complete the project, the entire project schedule. So in this lab, uh, you will will be explain, will be brief about the how to identify the task, yeah? Schedule upfront task, yeah? Schedule software engineering task, and how to assign tasks to the role, and lastly you produce the Gantt chart. Okay, so in order to produce the Gantt chart is very easy, but how to discover the activity and task inside the Gantt chart, that is a crucial task, and will take time, yeah. And you need to brainstorm among your team members, yeah. You need to get the input, you need to do a benchmarking, we need to do a historical check, yeah. You need to check, or you need to explore the previous or the history of successful project or failed projects. so that then after that you got full information to construct your project schedule. Okay, so the purpose of the project schedule is to outline the start and finish date of project activities or tasks. So when you list all the tasks and activity need to be done, then we call it project task. And then after that, after you assign or you provide the duration in terms of start and finish date, then when that element is exists, then we call it project schedule, because we have start and date time. Yeah, start and finish time, date, sorry. So the project schedule is a living component as element of a project change. So project schedule is a living document. So you need to update time to time. Yeah, you need to some of the tasks may be obsolete or not even exist sometimes. So you need to move out from the list. Okay. Okay. First step, that how you want to construct the project schedule. Firstly, you must know about the project scope. Yeah? The scope of your project. Like I said previously, you have to know the goal and objective of your project. Yeah, you should uh, you should describe or uh, or discover the project deliverable scope. Okay, and then you should have a logical scope of your system. Okay, then after you got that project scope, I think it's easy for you to come up with the task. Task need to be done to perform that uh, scope. The scope. So what you need to do, yeah, of course, I don't need to lecture you very long explanation how to understand the system, how to do the analysis and everything. But the most important thing that the keyword that you need to perform or you need to do before you come out with the project schedule, you should provide first the or you should know the project scope in comprehensive manner. Then your project schedule will be 90% or 85% or 95% perfect. Yeah. Otherwise, you just write down uh, without feeling the real task or activity need to be done. Okay, you just uh, provide a very high level description. Yeah. And then, but you don't know what to perform and how to perform. Okay, and you cannot measure. Yeah, you cannot measure the task, how long it should be finished, and who you want to assign it. Okay, so this is a key point that you have to know your system very well and very inside. Inside mean you should know in and out uh, of the business process, for the system to be developed. Okay, I think a very long introduction. You can read by yourself. Uh, but what you need to prepare before you construct the project schedule, you should have a project personnel and role, project deliverable scope, I already mentioned, project logical scope, yeah, and also some tools need to be used, software, Microsoft Project software, or you don't have Microsoft Project software, you can use a table like this. Okay, so the first step that you need to do is, first, before you start, step 1 or step 0, is it right? Step 0, I think step 1, yeah? No, step 0. Step 0 mean nothing. So step 1, so first step is create the blank table, yeah, 3 column. So this is a task, and then this is start, this is a finish. Okay, very simple. And then you step 2, start to name it the task, construct the project plan, construct the system analysis, construct the system design, construct the implementation plan. Okay, construct system design. That means you do a design, you do analysis, or maybe before the system analysis, you construct user requirement. Why I slot this task, because this is very important, yeah? Where you collect and you compile the user requirement and become a system requirement. So when you compile, elicit the user requirement, then you do the analysis. So when you do the analysis means you will explore what are the solution, yeah, in terms of the technology, hardware, software, and so on. Okay, just list the tasks according to the software development life cycle, right? You see plan, requirement, analysis, design, and implementation. Construct, maybe construct the application. Okay? Construct the application means you develop you do a coding, yeah, or develop the application. Then after develop, you do you perform the test. Yeah. After perform the test, you do what? Perform test. Perform application test. Yeah. Develop uh, software application. Okay. After you perform the test, so what you need to do? So you after test you prepare, yeah, software packaging. Yeah, that means after the software is complete, free of error, then you build the software and package it. Let's say you package the software become hims.php, for example, yeah, one executable file. Then what you need to do, just list all the possible tasks with the first level, yeah. Okay, prepare software packaging, and then after you prepare the software packaging, you perform uh, what else? Perform from packaging and to packaging. Perform transition task, or you perform develop, or the right word is construct lah, construct transition plan or strategy. Okay. For example, I give you example. uh, Prepare, conduct training, right? Conduct user training, and then you conduct transfer of technology, yeah, TOT, conduct TOT to technical, to user technical team. Okay. uh, and then that's why I ask you to we use the Microsoft project. It's very easy to maintain, yeah? But this is a idea to get the idea. This is your homework after you finish this list. After you finish list all the tasks, then you can move to the Microsoft project and convert into to the software. Yeah. Okay, and you continue after training, yeah, and then implement. So uh, what do you call it? System life. Yeah? System life. Okay, system life. Okay, and then give a start and end date. Yeah? So start and end date. So let's say this is a step 3. What you need to do is you provide the start and date of each of the tasks. Yeah. Okay. Let's say you construct the project plan. Uh, 15th of June 2011. This is a past project. Yeah? Until 30th of June. Okay. So let's say it's very difficult to estimate as when to start, when to finish, because you have to calculate the non-working days as well. Okay. To get uh, the perfect schedule, so you have to take into account the holiday and the public holiday and also the non-working time. Okay. Let's say don't include in your timeline uh, on the weekend, yeah, Saturday and Sunday. So this will endanger your project plan. Okay. In order to make the estimation when to start and finish, uh, so you add another column. This is step 4. In the middle is a duration. Yeah, put the duration. This is very easy way how to estimate the time. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, you create one column, they call it duration, and this very easy to estimate. Let's say you need 1 month, 30 days, 30 days in 1 month, but if you deduct the non-working days, become 22 days. Okay, and then user requirement, let's say you need 3 months, so 60 days. Construct a system analysis, you need 2 months, 44 days. System design, you need 2 months as well, 44 days. Okay, you now you start the development of the software, so it require 4 months. For example, 4 times 2 22 is 88 days. Okay, and then you need 2 months for test, 44 days. So this is in days, yeah. Okay, you need at least 5 days to package your software, and then you need maybe 15 days to do the training, and then system life plus the monitoring, system life and post implement in and what monitoring, yeah, system monitoring. After you live the system, then you need to monitor, yeah. Don't execute the system and then you go back. So it is dangerous, because this is a new system which is run in the new environment. So you need to monitor at least 3 days, yeah, 3 days working day. So you need to support, or you need to exist in the on-site. Yeah, you have to in the field monitor your user, because they need a familiarization and they need a help. Uh, it is a new system, so you need to support them. Okay, you need how many days? 7 days on site, for example, 7 days. Okay, so now you have estimation days or man hours to perform each of the tasks. So this is very uh, useful for you to set the start and finish date. So the start and finish date is very easy, yeah. But the amount of the number of days or man hours to perform for each of the tasks, that is very important to determine. Okay. Okay, what is the step for? So you need to add the one column duration, and it will make easy for you to uh, estimate, yeah, the duration or amount of days required to complete each of the tasks. So this is step 4. Step 5, then step 5, what you need to do is you bring your uh, draft, yeah, your draft schedule, and then start to use the project, Microsoft project. Yeah. So this is new version of project Microsoft project. I'm not familiar with this software yet. I have to explore first. But I have a sample here, which is a very comprehensive that I did during my industrial time. Yeah, so I can show to you. Okay, how to use this software is not under this syllabus, but you need to explore how to use this Microsoft Project software. Yeah, so I give you some idea how to start. You firstly, you say your name of project is HMIS project, okay, and then you construct project plan. So what you need is you copy the draft of your project schedule here. Where is it? Okay, this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Try copy from Word to Microsoft Project. Is it accepted or not? Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so you, I think the construct project plan is already there. So this is a user requirement. So I need to, okay, we de-indent. Mm, what is it? See the, oh yeah, yeah. Okay. So it come one level, yeah, one level. So you start to use the predecessor. So means start. Okay, you, let's say this is one example. User requirement will start after the project plan is finished. Yeah? So how to do this? You just select this one. Let's say user requirement and project plan. Okay, we have to move this one. It's redundant. This and this. Okay, we remove this one. Just delete. Okay, not. Hmm. Okay, delete that one. Okay, so after you finish your user requirement, so you will start the analysis. So there are two way, how to link from one task to another task. So you press control, and then you drag 4 and 5, and then you click the link. Yeah. So construct analysis uh, will end and continue to the construct design. So let's say, so you see this is a predecessor. So they show that number 4. So number 4, that means the task 5 will start after task number 4 is finished. So is an easy way how you want to create the link. So just type the number of tasks in the predecessor column. Yeah? Let's say construct system analysis will start after construct user requirement is finished. So what is the task number of construct user requirement? Number 3. So you put here number 3. Then you will start here. Okay. So this is where how you manage this one. Okay, let's say number 5, this is number 6, this is after number 7, task 7, this is after task 8, This is after task 9. This is after task 11. Oh no, after task 10. Then after task 11. Okay. When you link from one task to another task, so that is very easy to maintain your project schedule. Yeah? Let's say you add the number of user training. Wrong spelling. Training. Okay. Okay. Let's say you add. You require 30 days. Oh my God. Sorry. The new version is quite protocol. Let's say 30 days. Okay. So it drag automatically. Okay. Now you want to know how many days of your HMS project. So you drag all the tasks and put under HMS project. Okay, so this one, so you indent it. Okay, now you got here. So the total number of days of HMS project is 360 days. Yeah, this is total number. So by using this software project, Microsoft software project, is very easy to maintain, and you know how many days required for this project. Yeah, and this is specific days for each of the tasks. Okay, so when you want to add the sub activity under user requirement, for example, so we just add the task. Yeah? Add task, insert task. Okay, let's say construct user requirement. Let's say you conduct interview. Okay, and then you, what is the button to add? Yeah? Are you familiar with this version? Don't worry. So you explore this one. So we just use the conventional way. Right click and insert task. Conduct interview. Compile requirement. So this is detail, yeah. And then you, what else? You perform review. Conduct review. Uh, SRA review. Okay. Uh, Sign off. SRA. Okay. So indent this task. Put under construct user requirements. Just click this and then okay. So now you have a 60 days. So you need to divide into 1, 2, 3, 4 tasks. Yeah. So let's say conduct interview 1 week, 7 days. This is compile requirement, and then you do the analysis. Let's say 14 days. Conduct as a review, maybe 40 days, and then sign off. We give back to the user within 7 days, and they need to read, and then they have to return back the document. Okay, So this is number, uh, total number of tasks. When you count, is it 60 days? No, yeah. So they will count for you. You need to update this one. By right, the old version is automatically changed. Yeah? They can automatically change the numbers of days based on the total of sub tasks here. So I don't know why it not works in the new version. Okay, maybe we can show in detail. Let's say I put number 4, I put number 5, I put number 6. What happened? Well, they have another sequence of activity. So we have ample time here. So 14 days, 28, 28, 14, 14, 30, 40 something. So we have another days to complete here. Yeah? So by that they update this one automatically. Never mind. So after you finish your draft, so like I said, copy here and go to your Microsoft project, paste here, and then you start to play around, start to estimate the duration and when to start, and provide or create the link between one task to another task for you, for make it this schedule easy to maintain in future. Okay, uh, I think discovered already on the uh, chapter 6, yeah, chapter 6 of your, or lab 6 of your exercise, lab exercise. Okay, another thing that I want to mention here, what is the schedule upfront task? So the schedule upfront task is the initial activity or task you need to perform before the software engineering process is started. One example of the upfront task is you need to deal with the telecommunication provider, telecom or Maxis, to install the internet line in your office. So this is upfront task. Another thing is you deal with the supplier to supply enough desktop for your team members to do a programming work. Yeah, so they need a desktop or laptop to start their work. Yeah, either programming work or design work or analysis work. So they need a desktop or PC. Yeah, so you need to deal with the supplier. So this is upfront example of upfront task you need to include in your project schedule. Yeah? Let's say this one, purchase hardware, you prepare paperwork, you request for quotation, you select a vendor to uh, buy a big number of PC, or you want to buy for a big server, for example, for your development environment. Yeah. Okay, so this is a upfront task. So you can include or you can slot the upfront task before the construct project plan. For example. Yeah, let's say you add one main task here. Okay, let's say this is a procurement, purchasing procurement process. or easy way is to just say construct upfront, what do you call it, upfront task, upfront preparation. Prepare upfront requirement. Okay. uh, Example, uh, mm, 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 conduct document for purchase hardware and software. Okay. uh, Another things, install telecommunication infrastructure. Okay, and then here, so this is under the prepare and upfront requirement. Yeah? So let's say purchase hardware and software, it take about 1 month, 22 days. Now they automatically update. So I don't know why this task will not update automatically the 60 days. Yeah? And then install the telecommunication infrastructure. It will take 7 week, 1 week, 7 days. Yeah, 7 days. So see, they don't add it, but it become 29 days. Then I will explore later. So why this? Okay, why these numbers of days or duration will not update automatically? Okay, the most important thing that you can list down all the activity. Okay, class. I think that's it for my uh, explanation about the lab 6. And this is an example that you can see uh, the very comprehensive project plan, project schedule for the entire project. So they have implementation phase. Yeah, so this is by iteration. So we use iteration methodology. So each of the module got uh, got their own project schedule. Yeah. So see, this is for clinical information system only. One of the big component in the system, in HRS system. Okay, so they got HRM, they got patient management. Yeah. So three module, a very simple module. Uh, the project started. Yeah, and then move to transition phase, and then go to the system testing, application support. Yeah, update deployment document. This is application support, means a process where the software developer provide the documentation, yeah, user guide and etc. Conduct briefing, Yeah, this is under support. Staging, setup, and installation. Staging means the mirror of the development server. Yeah. So then and then become to and it come to packaging and release to staging, release to production. So they start to build the final product inspection, delivery of product, deploy the and configure the product system ready in production or staging, and then lastly is a live in staging. Okay, you can you look at this detail of the schedule, and then uh, you can use in your project schedule. Don't copy everything, but uh, look at this structure and try to apply to your project. Okay, I think this is enough for you. The video already take long, so I have to finish here, and the rest of the activity or question you ask yourself about the project schedule. Yeah. Okay, class. I think that's it